What to expect from an annual boiler service? Many manufacturers will only guarantee the boiler if it is serviced on an annual basis. The engineer will familiarise himself with the boiler by using the manufacturer's instructions in order to assess that the boiler has been installed correctly. Then he will check that all the controls function properly and the boiler ignites as it should. He will do a flue gas analyzer test to make sure that the boiler is burning gas correctly. Having removed the cover, he will visually inspect the internal workings of the boiler to ensure that all the electrical connections are good and that there are no weeping joints. On some boilers, the fan pressure needs to be tested. The gas inlet pressure will be tested to make sure it is sufficient for the boiler to work safely. The condensate trap should be inspected and, if necessary, cleaned. On finishing the service, the engineer will fill in the service record to validate your warranty.